Welcome to Tech Leveler, and this is just a quick video on how to turn on read receipts on your iPhone. Now the read receipt will let the person you're sending a message to know if you have read the message or not, and this will be indicated under the message where you may have seen read or unread. Now this is very easy to turn on, so let's head over to our iPhone settings. Now we're on the iPhone settings, let's scroll all the way down until we get to messages, and then let's tap into messages. Now we're in the messages app, let's scroll down until we get to this here, send read receipts. As we can see underneath here, when this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. As you can see, ours is currently greyed out, so no one will be receiving read receipts, so they won't know if I've read their messages or not. If you want this turned on, you want to toggle this grey toggle here, and now you'll be able to see if they've read the message or not, and they'll be able to see if you've read your message or not, and even received it. I hope that video helps you out, and if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.